Welcome to my channel. In this first video, I'm doing an unboxing of the new BTECH DA-7X2. I purchased this weekend on Amazon and thought a unboxing video would be nice since I could not find anything on YouTube for the new DA-7X2. Comes with a pretty good manual that is much better than the standard manual. A USB data cable, which is the first time I've ever gotten one of those in a handheld. The standard earpiece microphone that a lot of the radios come with. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable. The battery, which has a USB-C charger on the bottom of it. Regular wall art USB-A wall charger. It also comes with the Bluetooth push-to-talk button, cradle with USB-C charger port. The radio itself comes with the shorter antenna, belt clip, and the longer antenna. And of course the wrist strap, and it came with the elastic wristband that works with the push to talk. Everything seems like it's the standard Baofeng BTECH quality. I'm not sure I'll get much use out of the push-to-talk wristband, but you never know. I'll find out if it's compatible with the Bluetooth mics that BTECH has for the UV Pro. I will probably use this longer antenna though, since they seem to do better in my experience than the shorter antennas. Shorter antenna is good if you're going to be in short range and are pressed for storage space. Length, I should say. This appears to be the same color that the Anytone D890 UV is. It also appears to have the weatherproofing, water-resistant gasket around the battery contacts. It clips in at the bottom, not the top, and then snaps in. I was a little surprised how long it took to boot up when you first turn it on. It comes up with the calibrate date screen, which you use the up and down arrow directional pad on it, and then press the P1 button to move between the fields, and then finally confirm. I read that this BTECH DA-7X2 splash screen on boot up is replaceable with your own graphic if you want to put it in. Although going to the Baofeng Tech website, they already have downloads for this radio, and apparently there is already a firmware upgrade for it. I'll film that when I get around to learning how the CPS works. This radio does not appear to use the same CPS software as the DM32UV, which is what I have bought this to replace. The last few seconds of the video will show the spec screen from the Baofeng Tech website, and there's a screen save of the comparison to some of the other BTECH radios. I hope that you enjoyed this being my first video. Thank you for checking in.